In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete emails in bulk on Yahoo Mail. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is open your Yahoo Mail and open the inbox or the folder where you actually have your emails you want to delete in bulk. And now there's a few tricks I'm going to show you to actually do this faster. Now the manual method, of course, would be to simply click these check marks next to all the emails you want to delete in bulk. So if I click on these, for example, I can just go and click on this delete button up top, or press the backspace button on my keyboard, and that's going to delete them just like this. Okay, let me now undo this, and of course, as you can see, it's going to work just like that. Now there's also better ways though. If you want to delete like an entire folder or the entire inbox, you can go and click anywhere and press Ctrl and A on your keyboard, and all of them are going to get selected. Then again, you can just go and hit this delete button or press backspace, and it's going to delete all of them. Okay, that's the second way. Then the third one is to actually hold down your Control key, and you can just click on whatever you want, but that's the same as just clicking. But if you just want to delete emails in bulk within a range, like for example, I wanted to delete these three over here, I can just click on the first one, hold down my shift key and click on the last one, and it's going to select the entire range of emails. Then hit the delete button yet again, and that's how to bulk delete emails on Yahoo Mail. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.